Most long-range motor yachts make a trade-off. You get efficiency at displacement speeds or performance when you push the throttles. The Azimut Magellano 30 meters does both. That is what the dual-mode hull delivers. 97 feet built specifically for passage making, built by Azimut in Pesaro, Italy since 1969. The Magellano 30 is the Magellano series flagship, exterior by Freivokh. Hull developed by PL Ausonio Naval Architecture and the Azimut Research Department. The dual-mode hull adapts to your speed regime. Displacement or semi-planing, the hull form is optimized for both. Two MAN V12 engines, 1,550 horsepower each. Top end 20 to 24 knots. Cruise at 16 to 18 knots. Fuel capacity 3,831 gallons. At cruise, the dual-mode hull delivers 20% fuel savings versus comparable vessels. The efficiency gains are built into the hull geometry. 97 feet overall, 23 feet 2 inches of beam, 6 feet 9 draft. The soul-to-ceiling windows on the main deck are the visual signature. They keep the interior connected to the water on both sides. At 199 gross tons, this is a vessel with real offshore capability. 4 standout features: dual-mode hull technology, efficiency at both displacement and semi-planing speeds, soul-to-ceiling windows, a full panoramic connection between interior and sea, 20% fuel savings at cruise, and a hull form designed by Freivokh for extended passages, not weekend runs. 5 staterooms for 10 guests, 3 crew cabins. Interior by Yachtique, the Azimut and Benetti Group Creative Boutique. The master is amidships on the main deck, full beam, with the soul-to-ceiling window treatment continuing through. Delivery November 2026, model year 2027. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.